Do you often realize that your overhead water tank has gone dry just in the middle of your shower? Do you often forget to turn off your pump until it is flooded everywhere with overflow water? Are you frustrated with your daily hassle of filling water manually? Wait, we have a perfect solution to your problem. With our water pump automation solutions, never ever face water filling related issues again. Our water level controllers save your precious time by automatically managing and controlling water filling process based on the water level in upper and lower tanks. They save your money by eliminating water and electricity wastage through overflow by precisely turning off the pump when the water level in the tank reaches desired level. They also protect your pumps from damages due to dry run, thus extending pump's overall life. This also reduces your money spends on pump breakdown maintenance and downtime water management. Do try our water pump automation solutions and enjoy peace of mind.